I'm Eric Le Forestier, I'm Managing Director here at Naobios. Naobios exists since 2019, but we've been in operation since 2005 under different names. We are a team of 40 people based in Saint-Herblain, southern Brittany in France. And we are in this multipurpose facility of 1,500 square meters. We are a pharmaceutical establishment and we've got customers from all over the world. The US, Europe, India and Japan.
I'm Gaëtan Blaise, the Business Development Director here at Naobios. As a CDMO, we support viral vectors and viral vaccines programs. We are a GMP certified pharmaceutical establishment with 20 years of expertise. Our CDMO services include process development, GMP manufacturing, analytical development and GMP quality control testing. We can support viral vaccines, oncolytic viruses, viral human challenge agents, and exosome programs. At the heart of health innovation, our teams are committed to supporting innovative and complex drug candidate projects to improve lives.
I am Isaline Roland, the head of bioprocess activities at Naobios. Thanks to our highly experienced team, Naobios offers process development services aiming to deliver robust GMP-ready processes for the production of virus-based products. Our process development laboratory is fully equipped with well-established upstream and downstream technologies, such as single-use bioreactors and chromatography systems, from small scale up to larger 250 liters volumes. Optimized processes can directly be transferred in-house into our 4 independent BSL-2 and BSL-3 suites from grade D to grade B, allowing the production of genetically modified organisms or live viruses under aseptic conditions. The manufacturing areas operate according to a strict quality management system as a GMP-certified multipurpose and multi-product facility. Quality and flexibility are the keys of Naobios' performance.
I am Séverine Leroy, Head of Project Management at Naobios. One of the key aspects of our organization is that the teams are cross-functional, meaning that they can work on process development activities and are equally qualified to work on GMP activities. This ensures project continuity when we move on to GMP activities. One dedicated project manager is a key contact of our customer to coordinate the project. Our mindset is communication and transparency to ensure the customer receives their product quickly.